నెక్స్ట్ నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న కథ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నానండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు రూబిక్స్ క్యూబే కాబట్టి మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తుంది. మనకి ఆఫీస్లో కూడా మన మేనేజర్స్ మనకి ఏమైనా చెప్తే మనం చేస్తే ఏమంటారంటే, ఈజ్ దట్ ఎనీ రాకెట్ సైన్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ సో ఈజీ అంటారు. అదేమన్నా రాకెట్ సైన్సా ఈజీ అంటే, కష్టానికి చాలా మంచి మేధస్సుని టెస్ట్ చేసేదే రాకెట్ అనమాట, అంటే రాకెట్ లాంచింగ్. ఇది ఒక చిన్న కథ అండి. ఒకసారి నేను పేర్లు చివరిలో చెప్తాను, అంటే బహుశా అందరికీ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఈ కథలో ఏంటంటే, రాకెట్ లాంచ్ చేస్తారు. దే ఆల్ ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ రాకెట్ లాంచింగ్. అండ్ ఆన్ ద డే ఆఫ్ లాంచ్, అంటే అది లాంచ్ చేసే రోజున అది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయి బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్లో పడిపోతుంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ ఫెయిల్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఫాల్ ఇన్ టు ద బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్. సో అందరూ వస్తారు కదా, సక్సెస్ ఉంటే అందరూ ముందరికి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఫెయిల్యూర్ అయింది. సో ఒక ప్రెస్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పిలిచారనమాట అందరినీ. ప్రెస్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పిలిచి, ఏమైంది మీరు అంతా లక్షలు ప్రజల ధనం అంతా వేస్ట్ చేశారు, ఇదేనా మీరు చేసింది? పెవిలియన్లో కూర్చున్న వాడు ఏదన్నా మాట్లాడతాడు, నుంచిన వాడికి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. సో అలాంటిది విశ్లేషణ చేసేటప్పటికి ప్రెస్ అందరూ వచ్చారు. ఎవరైతే దాన్ని ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ బాస్ ఏం చేశారంటే, నువ్వు పక్కకి జరిగినాయన నేను వెళ్తానని చెప్పి, అవును మేము ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాం, మా పిల్లలు బాగా చేశారు, మేము ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాం, మేము చెప్పినా మీకు అర్థం కాదు, ఇది రాకెట్ సైన్స్, మేము మళ్ళీ చేస్తాం, ఈసారి డబుల్ బౌన్స్ తోటి వస్తాం. ఇది ఆయన ఇచ్చిన సమాధానం. సరే పిల్లల చేతి మళ్ళీ చేయించారు, అప్రూవల్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం అది సూపర్ హిట్, దేశం ఫ్లాగ్ అంతా ఎక్కింది. ఆబ్వియస్గా నేను దేశం గురించి చెప్పానంటే నా భారతదేశం గురించే చెప్తాను. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ఇండియా. అండ్ అప్పట్లో ఆ లాంచింగ్ దానికి యజమాని కలాం గారు, అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారు. ఫెయిల్ అయినప్పుడు ముందర వచ్చిన అతను సతీష్ ధావన్. సక్సెస్ అయినప్పుడు ముందర ఉండి ప్రెస్ మీటింగ్ ఇప్పించింది కలాం గారి చేత, డాక్టర్ అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారు. ఆయన 2016లో అనుకుందా ఆయన కాలం చేశారు. సో ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ లీడర్. లీడర్ అనే అతను ఎలా ఉంటాడు అనేది. ఇప్పుడు పిలవబోయేది కూడా మా లీడర్ని, ఆయన సిబిఎల్ రావు గారు. మొత్తం ఆయన చేస్తారు బొమ్మరిల్లో ప్రకాష్ రాజు లాగా. ముందరొచ్చి మాకు అదే, మీరు వెళ్ళండి రండి 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 అంటాడు. మీరు రండి సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్గా ప్రకాష్ రాజు గారు, మా కాల్చెడి తెలుగు సంఘానికి ప్రకాష్ రాజు గారు వస్తున్నారు. మొత్తం మీరే చేస్తారు. నేను కాట్స్టర్ వస్తాను, ఏదో అన్ని పెట్టేద్దాం అనుకుంటాను. నేను వచ్చేటప్పుడు మీరు అంత చేస్తారు. వీడియోలు వస్తాయి, వీడియోలు ఎడిటింగ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటారు. రాత్రి అంతా కూర్చొని మీరే చేసేస్తారు.
అది జస్ట్ స్మాల్
మీరే చేస్తారు.
భోజనం చేతులు వచ్చారు.
సరే అండి, రావు గారికి
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. థ్యాంక్స్ మనోజ్ అండ్ వెంకట్ ఆకల్ల ఇరగదీస్తున్నారు మీరు మాత్రం. ఎంటర్టైనింగ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ గైస్. ఐ థింక్ యూ ప్రిపేర్డ్ వెరీ వెల్. బిఫోర్ దట్ అందరికీ అండి ప్లవనామ సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. మమ్మల్ని కొన్ని టెక్నికల్ గ్లిచెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ అంటే సెకండ్ ఇది యాక్చువల్గా, బట్ మేజర్ ఈవెంట్ మన కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ వాలంటీర్స్ అందరూ దే పుట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్. there is some small glitch, technical glitch, and please excuse us. I think that we could not avoid, because we tried several times we tested, but when it is live, always like if you get, I think most of them are IT guys, so we test all the things, and all the things when it goes to production live, there will be always glitches will be there, so please excuse us. With that, నేను ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకోరండి, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ బోర్ కొట్టించిన. ఐ థింక్ ద పాయింట్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ టెల్ ఈస్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్ అండి. క్వాడ్ సిటీ తెలుగు సంఘం అచీవ్మెంట్స్. ఐ థింక్ వీఆర్, even though I am talking and he called me as a leader or anything, there are I think 30 to 40 people behind me that they are doing it all, cleaning, setting up all these things and all. So it is not just me, I am just a face. So that is all a team effort, and we have a great team, guys. I think it's a great team. I think I request everyone to just give a big applause to all the committee and volunteers that are putting a lot of effort. Even for this online, you guys think like just online and all, there is a lot of effort. We are at least for the past 1 week, we are working every day, come here and making sure that the things are going okay. So please give them a big applause to all this committee and volunteers. With that said, I just want to give some achievements for the Quad City Telugu Sangam. ఐ థింక్ మీరు చూసే ఉంటారు ఈమెయిల్స్లో. We are officially registered 10 years back, so officially completed. So 10 years successfully completed. So that is a very good achievement. And every year something or other. So we just started with Sankranti, then we added Ugadi, then we added picnic, the Vanabhojanalu picnic. Then we added Batukamma. Then now I think our team came up with a lot more things right now because they thought that hey, what is happening, like Sankranti is done, people will forget QCTS, nothing is there, then Ugadi comes, done, 3-4 months gap is there. So how can we make to keep the community alive? And it is not like we are trying to publicize the QCTS, but we want to make sure that with the team that we have, we want to make sure that we give something to the community. That's where we introduced one thing, that is 8 years back, a scholarship to the community. It's a $1,000 scholarship, which is a Pleasant Valley School student, where if they get good score in science and math, they will be awarded $1,000 from our Quad City Telugu Sangam. I think you guys are aware of that. And if we get more support from the community, we can put this in other school districts also, no problem. But we have to start somewhere. We started there because they have the program at the time. All other schools do not have the program 8 years back. Another thing is next after few years we put Telugu Pathshala. తెలుగు పాఠశాలని నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడకూడదు. తెలుగు పాఠశాలలో మన టీచర్స్, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఉగాదికి ఈవెంట్కి వచ్చి వెళ్తున్నామండి, కానీ వాళ్ళు ప్రతి వీకెండ్ మన స్టూడెంట్స్ని తెలుగు నేర్పుతున్నారు. వీకెండే కాదు, ఆయనకి ప్రిపరేషన్ కోసం వాళ్ళు ఎవ్రీ డే కానీ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ కానీ మీట్ అయ్యి చదువుతుంటారు. I think I just want to take this occasion and give their names. Venkat Akella is one of the main guy. Lakshmi Jiddu is another one. And Santoshi Veena Dusi is another one. And one more recently joined is Vijaya Chagatti. So these guys are continuously working. And we have few other previously, but these are the active ones right now. With their effort, we are able to achieve right now. Previously, we just started one level. Now we have 4 different levels. And this year, we are going to, the 4 level is saturated right now. So we are going to graduate this 4th year students, and we will do the full kind of a graduation. They'll have the all graduation dress and all those things. We are going to do that in May, end of the May or something like that. So we will inform you about that. And still our team did not stop there. This year they added one more thing, helpline team. They saw that in the community there are a lot of things going on, because we are there here for a long time, but a lot of people came new and all, with so many things going on with the COVID. And one day there was a power failure in apartment complex, Homewood Manor. There are 3 days there is no power. So at that time, some people cannot go out. They may not have the facility to go out, and they can't go out also. So our helpline team, we formed a helpline team. Helpline team went and they got whatever they can do in their this one. They started unofficially. Then it lead to a actually official helpline team. So we have helpline team. That helpline team will give you the updates about the helpline team. It's basically a text or email away, guys. So people will be active. But please make sure that there are only specific things we can do. The helpline means don't think that it will be like helping for anything. It is only for disasters and where people have some issues are there and all. So that we will give a details, and all. The team is working on that. They will come up with the details. And as I mentioned, instead of the 4 events that we are doing, they are again planning live webinars almost every month. So you'll be basically, the QCTS will be hosting several webinars from the prominent people. Already we started with Dr. Durga, and we will be doing for several other prominent people throughout the year. so that whatever we can do, we are doctors, we are a lot of professionals are there. So if you have any contacts, and one thing you need to be make it very clear, guys, is this webinars should be a generic webinars. It is not promoting any business, but whoever comes, they can give the generic topic about whatever the field they are in. But they can, if anyone have any questions, they can contact them in like offline one-on-one, which is not related to the Quad City Telugu Sangam. We only give a platform to give their generic the webinars. And one more thing we started, as we mentioned, I think you might have seen email, is John Deere matching program. So thanks to our, we are struggling this for the past 2-3 years. One of the main volunteer, he just broke that and he made it as happen. I think I know, can I tell the name? Okay, I think, okay. Anyway, the committee knows about that. Thanks a lot. So the JD matching program, just give a small, this one on that is, there are 3 different things are there. One is, if you pay some amount, John Deere will match almost double amount if they have funds, and that will be coming to our this one. So if a John Deere employee is there, if you want to pay something, pay through John Deere program, whatever you want to donate to the Telugu Sangam. That will be helpful for us. Another one is you can do payroll deduction. Another one important thing is, there are a lot of committee members, or you guys are putting volunteers and even choreographers and participants, they are putting effort. If you guys are a John Deere employees, please mention your volunteer hours there. You don't need to pay anything. That volunteer hours, they will be matching some hours to us also. So please help us in that way also. So with that said, I think once again, guys, by these ongoing ideas from the committee, please give a big applause to all the committee and volunteers that are coming up with that. So the next one is, and due to this program, virtual program, please don't think that we don't have any expenses. We have expenses as usual, other than the event expenses and all, the website expenses and storage and tax and all those things, a lot of other things we'll be doing. And thanks to sponsors, they are already started giving money and donating the money, and members, a few members joined. So please continuously do that. It's not just for the event, it's like ongoing process for QCTS. So whenever you want to donate, please donate, do that, and join as a member. The membership program is there. And in the future, we are working on an application where you guys can log in. If you are a member, you can log in and you can see your amounts, how much you donated and all. You can even generate your tax receipt also. We are working on that. We will be getting that pretty soon. And next one is like the choreographers. Man, I thought, see, I'll tell you what happened for this one. Until Tuesday or Wednesday, we have only 4 entries in this whole thing. I thought 4 entries, then I need to request Venkat and Manoj to fill the gap. 4 entries is what? We are talking about a 10 minutes program. 10 minutes program means all other remaining 2 hours or 2 hours 20 minutes, they have to fill it up, which is not good. Then we have to request for so many choreographers, and they came forward, and now we are more than 22 events are there right now. Thanks to all choreographers and the participants. Just a small token of appreciation, we will be giving a $5 gift card to all the participants and choreographers. Don't think that it is a very small one, but think in another way. Just $5 you can get a ice cream, guys. You can enjoy the ice cream there. So, but just a small token of appreciation. So we will work with the choreographers and get the information, and we'll hand it over to them. So the next one, I just want to thank, last but not least, I want to thank Quadister, because we are doing this event from Quadister office, and they came front and they told, oh, you do whatever you want, just arrange your this one. So you are seeing this live, whatever is going on from Quadister office, and we rearranged all the things, and they did not tell anything. So please give them a big applause for providing all these things. Yeah, getting back to the next one, we have announced that QCTS talent. So there are several talent people are there, but we received only few. So I'll just read them out quickly. First one is the state finalist for Pleasant Valley Spartan Golf Club, Tarun Annavajula. And the parents are Arun and Murali Annavajula. Please give him a big hand. Next one is Robotics Tech Challenging Team 8813 Winter Soldiers. I'll read their names. Please hold until that. Ritvik Vanga, Vinay Joshi, Tarun Annavajula, Vishnu Challa, Vamsi Challa, Achinteya Jairam, Anaga Sudhindra, Sravani Ainampudi, Acklin's family John, Aiden and Amanda, Lily Thomas, Monica Kote and Anai Desai. Please give them a big hand. Next one is like regional and state competitions. As you saw already, Pratik for the Rubik cubes, Pratik Dharnikota, parents are Kranti and Nilima Dharnikota. Next one is, please give him a big hand, guys. Next one is Siba Music Group, went to state level competitions, and they are Vishnu Challa and Tarun Annavajula. Could you please give them a big hand? Next one is FTC Bettendorf Community Team, advanced to state competitions, 11142 Robo Minions. Please give them a big hand. Next one, last one but not least, Pardasarathi Reddy, Kart Reddy. He got second rank in the North South Foundation 2021 Regional Junior Essay Writing. Please give him a big hand. So I'll end this with the next this one. I think you might be hearing that every year we will tell expenses we did not get because there are so many things going on. I'll just the balance that we have right now as of today. Just now I checked, it is 6,905 to 52 is our current balance. Other than there is already, as I mentioned, every year we have a 10,000 is reserved to give to Quad City Hindu Temple for the security gate. Other than that, we have still 6,952. But please donate and sponsor so that we can do a lot more things for the community. Because we see community is there. If community is supporting us, there are very good team members are there right now. Please encourage them, and we can do more things, and we can do more things to the community. With that said, I will take leave from you guys. Have a nice day, guys, and I think we have a good program ahead. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Rao garu, for the detailed update.